Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/18 Diecast model of Ford GT by Maestro. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the model itself, Ford GT 1/18 2017 by Maestro. So if you want to buy that, put the link in the description, and you can also follow me on Instagram for daily updates. And the winners of the giveaway are Rohan Kashyap, Polo, and Sunayana Chabra Duke 690. So I'm also going to put a video at the end how I pick the winners, so you can also check that out. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. So hope you enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.